Because, as you know, Prime Minister Modi is
বাইরে কেউ নাই আপনারা যারা
because, as you know, Prime Minister Modi is going to Moscow.
This rhetoric playing out in Bangladesh and yeah.
This is again a typical, fallout of that rhetoric that Bangladesh is so prone to do. And as I said, water has been always an emotive issue. So every time there's a flood in a lower riparian state, we've seen the upper riparian state gets, faltered and all kinds of allegations come in. See, look at that. I mean, while I'm not saying that Bangladesh hasn't been deeply affected, but look at what has happened in Tripura. I mean, last I checked early in the day was that about 40,000 have been moved into, relief camps. Many have died in this particular, and of course, the dam they're talking about is, I think, about more than 120 kilometers away. And if Tripura itself is so affected and the entire state government and central machinery is trying to address that, it is again a natural flow of water that has happened, right? And I can't understand this reason that why would India deliberately do something like this? How is it in India's case to cause pain and, anguish to Bangladesh, especially in a time when they're facing so many challenges? So this is again, there's a popular need to kind of ramp up these feelings. And I don't know why. I really thought 5th August would mean that Bangladesh would break out of that. That every time there's a kind of a distraction that you require, you would use India. Every time, you want to not look at your own internal problems. So while there is, of course, a system where India is constantly sharing information about weather changes and all of that, I'm also sure that Bangladesh also has a Met department, right? And they would have been, given the fact that two of us are such friendly partners, I'm sure there has been exchange of information and, flow of whatever data and everything that is part of the protocol in place. So why hasn't that been considered ever? I don't know, but this is I'm sure again people who are knowledgeable are probably not doing that, but this is as you're saying, the social media and others are rife with some kind of allegations against India, but I can't understand that why would India do this? How does it benefit India, especially when India itself is struggling? I would actually, and I did see a statement by one of the interim cabinet members, on this particular issue. I would really think that they could have, or maybe India, I'm sure, has seen that how we can actually address it. In South Asia now, everybody accepts the position of India as a first responder, right? In many of these humanitarian disaster events, India is the first one to go in there with whatever capacity they have. And I'm sure if required, India would definitely do that for Bangladesh. It's a close partner for us.
এলাকাতে অবস্থান